Last time I tried to grow my hair, I thought I was about to get that clean, layered hairstyle. I went to the barber, showed him a random photo, sat confidently, and boom, he gave me a mushroom cut. I walked out questioning my life decisions. That's when I realized getting a perfect layered hairstyle isn't luck, it's a system. And today I'll show you exactly how to do it right. Before going to the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Step 1. Growing phase. First mistake most guys make. They don't grow their hair long enough. Listen, if you want a proper layered hairstyle, you need to grow your hair straight for at least 5 to 6 months. No rushing, no random trim. Let everything grow evenly so your barber has enough length to create layers. And yeah, during this time, you're going to enter the awkward phase. Your hair will look messy, uneven, sometimes even embarrassing. Some days it won't sit properly at all, but that phase is completely normal. Every guy with great hair went through it. The ones who glow up are the ones who don't quit in that stage. Step 2. Finding the right barber. Not every barber understands layers. And most barbers are trained for fades, basic cuts, and quick trims, not textured, flowy styles. So if you walk into a random shop and say, layered cut, chances are they'll freestyle your hair. Instead, look for a barber who has already done similar styles. Check Instagram pages, Google reviews, or even observe customers coming out of the shop. If you see guys with messy, flowy, textured hair, that's your place. And never rely on just saying the name of the haircut. Always carry 2 to 3 reference photos. Your words can confuse, but images don't lie. Step 3. Train your barber. This is the game changer. Even a good barber can mess up if you don't guide him properly. When you sit on the chair, don't just say, layered cut, and stay silent. Explain clearly. Tell him you want volume on top, lighter layers, and not too short on the sides. Show where you want length, where you want trimming, and what you don't want. During the cut, don't be afraid to speak up. If he's cutting too short, stop him early. Remember, it's your hair, not his experiment. Over time, if you keep going to the same barber and guide him, he'll learn your style, and that's when your hair starts hitting consistently. Getting a perfect layered hairstyle isn't about luck or expensive salons. It's about patience, choosing the right barber, and knowing how to guide him. Most guys fail because they quit in the awkward phase or don't communicate properly and end up blaming their hair. Don't be that guy. Please like and subscribe.